Looking to upgrade your car stereo without the hassle of complicated wiring or messy cables? Scosche's direct factory harness connection offers a seamless solution that keeps your vehicle's interior neat and fully functional. If you've ever struggled with long USB cables cluttering your glove box or losing your OEM USB port, this product is designed with you in mind. For over 40 years, Scosche has built a reputation for crafting high-quality, affordable car stereo accessories. Their wiring harnesses are no exception. Made with factory-grade wires and connectors, this harness plugs directly into your vehicle's factory wiring without any cutting or splicing. That means you get a clean, professional installation every time. I recently installed it in a 2011 STI non-navigation model, and the process was incredibly straightforward. Just connect it to the OEM harness and plug the USB end into the aftermarket stereo. No extra cables, no clutter. What sets Scosche apart is their commitment to customer confidence. Every installation accessory comes with a limited lifetime warranty and lifetime tech support. So if you ever have questions or run into issues, their expert team is just a call or email away. That kind of ongoing support makes a real difference when investing in your vehicle's sound system. If you want a reliable, hassle-free way to upgrade your stereo while keeping your car's original USB port intact, this wiring harness is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to simplify your install and enjoy clear, direct connectivity backed by decades of trusted craftsmanship.